My name is Ravi Shankar. I was associated with Zamindar Eye Clinic from the inception of their clinic, first clinic in Maruti Sevanagar. Zamindar Eye Clinic has grown with the time with all modern techniques and inventions. Whatever has been happening in the optometric field has been brought to the customers well in advance, and so that they can retain the customer base. Zamindar Eye Clinic is a family eye clinic for my entire family, dating back from my mother to my aunt, myself, my wife. So at now we have crossed all 60 years of age, and it is a time for us to get our cataract surgeries done, and without any hesitation or second thought, we have come to here and got the surgeries done. My both eyes are done and my vision is improved a lot from the other initial stage. We recommend for all our people who come across us having eye problems to go for Zamindar Eye Clinic without thinking of a second chance.